How to change homepage in Microsoft Edge. So let's get started. First, what we need to do is bring this home button back. So click on these three horizontal dots in the top right corner and then go settings. You will find Start, Home and New tabs. Click on it and then switch on Home button. Here we go, Home button is back. And now what we need to do is click here and enter your homepage. So my homepage will be Google. Click on Save. And if we click on this Home button, we got Google as a homepage. What else you can do is click Open these pages. So when Microsoft Edge starts, there will be also Google as your starting page. So real quick, click on these three dots, go Settings, then Start Home. First, you need to switch on your Home button, then add your URL address, and also you can add your Google homepage when Microsoft Edge starts. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find it helpful or if you have some question, leave a comment and see you one click later. Bye bye.